What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Weston Boucher and I'm a professional model and commercial actor based out of Southern California. The goal of my channel, which I'm super excited about, is for you guys to follow my journey through the modeling industry and for me to share all my experiences and advice and tips along the way to hopefully improve your quality of life, whether you're a regular guy, an aspiring model, or a current working model. So here's a quick breakdown of all the awesome content I'm going to be sharing with you guys each and every week when you click that subscribe button. But before I do that, you might be wondering, why should you listen to me? I'm currently represented by 6 different agencies, both nationally and internationally, and I've been full-time for the last 7 years, and I've been able to work with some incredible clients along the way. Through that experience, I realized that there was a lot of information and knowledge and advice and tips that I could offer others to either fast-track their career in the modeling industry or just help average guys when it comes to things like health and fitness tips and style and personal care and grooming, social media growth and everything in between. So that's when I realized that I needed to start a channel and also to support a lot of the educational things that I offer, such as e-downloads and ebooks about getting in the industry and that are totally related to just health and fitness. So that's what you're gonna find here on my channel. Again, I hope this really improves your quality of life, and I would love to hear from you guys on more that you'd like to see. Please do comment below. And again, thank you for stopping by. Can't wait to share more with you guys. Thanks.